Hi, my name is Greg Mecomber. I'm a consultant for IDCON Inc., where we help people and organizations across the globe improve their reliability and maintenance management programs through common sense consulting and hands-on coaching. Now, as promised, I'll discuss the unique small job management controls that must be in place to keep the planning and scheduling process from going to heck. The first is a well-written work request. This is where the supervisor gets most of the details. Descriptions should be as clear enough that there is no need for a work order package or ideally any verbal instructions beyond what is on the work request. The second is what's called a small jobs error report. This is a weekly report sent out by the maintenance supervisor that is basically an estimated versus actual type of report. It lists the data of tasks completed as small jobs that ended up exceeding the limiting criteria of a small job. Say, for instance, there was a secondary damage that was not observed during the assessment, but instead of reporting the updated estimate to the supervisor, the tradesperson decided to make all the necessary repairs since it wouldn't actually take that much longer than originally thought. No, this is not okay. The supervisor must hold the well-meaning tradespersons accountable for following the management process, because in this instance, the duration of repair only increased by 5 minutes, but the cost, however, totaled $400, which disqualifies it as a small job. So this job should have gone through the formal process. The last and probably the most important is key performance indicators that measure the percentage of jobs charged to the equipment or asset numbers, and one that measures the percentage of jobs that do not meet the small job criteria. You will need to be diligent with your small jobs error reports, as this is where the data for the second KPI comes from. These will be used to monitor whether people are abusing this process. Since there is no real benchmark for these KPIs, you will have to determine what percentage is typical for your organization and monitor for any significant changes. Managing small jobs in this manner is a very effective way to take a big chunk out of your planner's workload and will help reduce the maintenance backlog more effectively. But for the remaining work orders, a simple yet detailed and disciplined approach to planning is required. IDCON offers in-person and online courses and books on numerous maintenance management topics, including a very bingeable planning and scheduling course that you can complete at your own pace. Some of these sections in the planning and scheduling course are the work order process, detailed work planning, materials management, implementing changes, as well as some useful checklists and templates to help your organization plan and schedule like the pros. As a planner, you will always have so much on your plate, and you will only be more successful if you start prioritizing your efforts and not just the work orders. If you think this process will help you reduce your maintenance backlog, or if you found value in this video, please do me a favor and let me know by giving it a like. Also, what are some maintenance topics you would like me to cover? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep it simple.